am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out. Over and out.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Hi if you're new. Very thankful to have you here with us. Here's the moment that y'all have been waiting for. It's finally happening. Today in this video is our floor renovation, which will be the biggest extreme home makeover for our home. That's right, our old floors are finally being taken out, along with that horrible royal blue rug that y'all have watched me clean over the years. These guys didn't waste any time with the work that they had in front of them, which is why y'all only got to see partial of the floor being taken out and a bare living room floor. They were that fast, and out of all days to be late, Dylan's bus was 30 minutes late both days of the install. Can you believe that? However, at least I was able to get what I could and truly show y'all a before and after transformation of what these guys will do to our home. So, with that being said, and with this video only being 10 minutes long, I want y'all to sit back and relax, enjoy the music, and enjoy this huge transformation of our floor renovation.
Saw you. My world stopped spinning. Now my world revolves around you. Did your heart stop when you first saw me? Did your world stop spinning? Does your world revolve around me? Me too. Me too. Should I stop or are you falling for me? Is your world stop spinning? Is your head spinning too?
Hope y'all are enjoying this floor renovation so far and love all of the content I share with you guys on a weekly basis. Not only do we do renovations like this on my channel, but I also do cleaning motivation, small makeovers, organization, and honestly any other relatable mom life content that I can share with you while being a stay-at-home mom. So if you're enjoying all of this content, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click that notification bell to be notified of upcoming weekly videos that I post. And if you'd like to see so much more, head over to my Instagram, Mrs. Jessica Savage, and give me a follow over there as well. I share daily IG stories of our lifestyle, our farm life, motivational and inspirational content, and again, all that I do while being a stay-at-home mom. So give me a follow because you won't want to miss anything after seeing this.
Not us, but we let each other down, 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 down. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 down. This shouldn't be us. What came between us? When did we become like them? We weren't supposed to break up, but it's too late to make up. Don't know what my heart would mend. No, this should not be us, not be us, not be us. This should not be us, not be us, not be us. just us. Said we wouldn't let things come between us. Let love rule, not beat us, not us, not us. But we let each other down, 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 down. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 down. This shouldn't be us. What came between us? When did we become like them? We weren't supposed to break up, but it's too late to make up. Don't know what my heart will mend. No, this should not be us, not be us, not be us. This should not be us, not be us, not be us. Remember when we said we'd stay?
Alright, you guys, looks like they're finishing up, so we're going to wrap up everything right here, and I'm going to go ahead and share with you the before and after videos of this house. When you see the before of this home and how it had originally looked on my before photos, you'll truly appreciate every second of the after. You guys, thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me on this floor renovation. I'm very thankful to have you here and to have the love and support you show me on a weekly basis. So I just wanted to say thank you so much. Thank you for being here. Give this video a thumbs up before you leave, comment and share. Remember to subscribe to my channel and head over to my Instagram, Mrs. Jessica Savage, and follow me there as well. Again, thank you so much for watching. So I guess I will see you again right back here with a brand new video. Bye, you guys.
Not be us, not be us. Tonight, I'd lie for you, baby. Honestly, Just